I'm gonna give you the big story to this one, yabo. So apparently, yabo, me being me, ne? So I'm scrolling on Facebook, yabo, yabo. It is what it is, yabo. I bumped into Inkora, yabo. I bumped into Inkora. He's calling this bro by so udisiwe, yabo. I don't know anything about it. He's not udisiwe ngomshit, yabo. I'm phoning lambuzi ba I said ngwase ntondoni diabuka. So I don't know the first this song, so I don't pay attention to it, yabo. I don't pay attention to it, yabo, because Ngora doesn't take any of these things serious, yabo. Cool. Now I'm doing I cool and move on. So on the TikTok, can't figure TikTok, just scroll again. Can't figure. Leave you to Bensano Ibona like a few minutes ago. Can't figure there's already another district apparently. Ependula leave video and Sano Ibona. I'm like, what the fuck is going on? And this bro, he sounds like Niglige, bruh. Like he's on that element. He's so aggressive. I'm like, what the fuck is this nigga? Yeah, well. Then I was like, nah, let me go see the whole thing. First, I'm gonna do the first song. Yeah, boy. I'm gonna do the first song. Who's the nigga name? Ace London Ace. Yes, there you go. So we has algorithm chief. There you go. This is the brew I'm talking about. I think this is the brew, man. If I'm not mistaken. Haibo. This is the district I'm talking about. It says there's another one. I'm a dog. I'll relax. This broom. This is the one I'm talking about. This is the one I'm talking about. Let me know someone go clear your car. Telling you don't yazi. I want this one. I want this one. So I'm saying I'm artist on his house. Yeah, I'm artist on his house. Who's saying I'm artist in the beginning? Why you put a whole core in a dress? What the fuck? Oh yeah, apparently. Oh my god, bruh. Inkosi, sisayangifonela ngathi phele lokubumi. Live kwaGlakholi ibingathi binetrongi. Ndlela yembi ngayo ngathi donke twala isport. Lele shwabeleyo, ngathi ngamasendi. Kuzobakho mncinci ngathi phambili webands. John Soon waterfethe. Kale lokushona lokubuso nefethe. Soon wakho base uraphi ngathi uthiwa inqele. I thought I was gonna go. They tiny violence, ne? Like la beef ka put legend sana kwenzeka no Tay Africa. I like that violence, yabo. And as khule ngayo ngose sound onqikilije no Mr. P beyenza lewe. I think back then maybe something is off, man. Okay, kwenzeka ntoni? Ndinyamezele na. Inkosi yami. Denzi kwenzeka ntoni? Amadimoni wami yaphi na? Yo, Bukalaji flows apa anywhere izawungena. My guy, you are rude, my guy. You are rude. This is Barney, baby, that's sauce and fucking seed. No, that's a bar. That's a bar. 20 seed, you got put on no like the beat, man. What's on the 50? What's in the mupé? Go to school, take it 50. I'm in flows, it's pretty beat. I'm delaying it, quick. Trying to pull something different, got your bed, one come on in. When the brand on the 5K, pushing at the place. Canela no gas and at the arc when you be stage. What's in there, put up with cheese. Fucking not no No, I can't. can't chat. Yo, I can't. Yo, and oh my god. What is this? Chat, I can't chat. Digqibe. I'm the booty you tickets. Jimuti kungan pickers. If you ain't run up, I'm soon I know I'm gonna be this. Put and that in 2 weeks. I'm always on the mode to try to drop a fucking piece. Inkosi is a sucky deep. Fucking guy, I'm a sim. I just saw me on the post. Me the crack, where was the snitch? Gotta post me cause I'm lonely. Then we broken, then I phony. But see these niggas phony. What these niggas on my dick? Man, you gotta suck it dicky cause I see you as a bitch. Never try to be my homie cause it's just a piece of shit. What's this belly for some vein? The quere quere. What's this poo poo? And trouble right till you forgot. Yo. If this is acceptable, if it's a diss track, now we don't know Drake, but I saw for no push or tea. How you diss track we are to give support? How you to give some kabam? Whoa. Yeah, that's it. Diss tracks only. Yo. I'm not this guy only. Hey, fun. He posted a good reactions Sunday. Post as well. Yo, what a hype man. Otherwise, shout out. Yo,